Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Technically Unique, and today we're going to see how to copy the URL of your Tumblr account, how to copy your profile URL on your Tumblr account. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to copy the Tumblr profile, or how to copy the Tumblr profile link on your Tumblr application for your Tumblr account. I'm just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, open your Tumblr account and just click on the share option on the top of the Tumblr account. Click on this. After this, here you have this tab, and here you just have this first option called copy. Click on this. So click on the share option and click on the copy option. So now link has been copied. You can see I just going to paste this link on my anything here. So you can see it shows something. Just click on this. It will directly open your Tumblr account on the Tumblr application. So this is how you just copy the Tumblr link on your Tumblr application or Tumblr profile link on your Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.